Well, hello there guys, it's Reed here once again, and we got another exciting product review tonight. We got an amazing one today. One of the most requested items of the last month is the Dairy Queen Apple Pie Blizzard. There it is. Look at that. That is a beauty. America was founded on apple pie. You know, that's one of the main things you think about when you think of America. Is you think of apple pie. So here's the Apple Pie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Very unique flavor, I must admit. It's cold, damn. All right, it is not as good as I expected it to be. Pretty shocked. It's just not as good as I thought it would be. Really, I think it's not bad. Okay, let's get that out of the way. But I'm not that impressed with it, I must say. I think it's just missing it. It's just not that good. The crust is okay, the apple pie is okay, but it's nothing great. This is the worst blizzard I've ever had. Now to me, most blizzards I've ever had, I've loved them all. Okay, but this one right here, I cannot give it a great score, but it's still very good. I mean, don't get me wrong. This is the apple pie blizzard. I like apple pie, so I pretty much know what we should be talking about here. I'm gonna have to give it a 3 out of 5. I'm pretty disappointed in it, I must admit. It's just not as good as I thought it would be, because every blizzard I've had, they're always amazing, and to me this one does not live up to the status of being an amazing blizzard. You know, you pretty much think you can make anything out of a blizzard, but this one falls short, people. I'm an apple pie lover, and I can't give it that good of a score. A 3 is still pretty good, but with the blizzard, I think I've gave every blizzard I've ever had a 5, because, you know, I've had a ton of blizzards, you know, different flavors, and this is the worst one I've had. That's the best way I can put it. Well, it just doesn't work well together. I don't know if it's their ingredients or what, but I'm gonna say a 3 out of 5. And that's the official review of the Apple Pie Blizzard. And, you know, I can still eat it. It ain't like it's unedible. I just expected it to be better, is the best way to put it. So there you have it, guys. Another exciting product review. You may love it more than I love it. Again, this is only my opinion. You know, my opinion is my opinion. You have your own. So if you love it, don't get upset. It's just my opinion. I think it could be a lot better. I really do. So like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you on that next exciting product review. Have yourselves a great day, and thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Is that right? And the box will be here tomorrow too. See you later.